listen, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a car washing video. So if you need to wash your car, go outside, listen to this YouTube video, and clean your car along with me. I am just using a couple of different items here. So I have my long, it looks like a mop, but it's made to wash your car, and I also have a big sponge that I use to get spots that are difficult for me to get to. You can see it right there, the yellow and blue sponge. And then I am just using like a wax and soap from, you can just get it at Walmart. It smells really good. So I just put that into a bucket and I fill it up with water. And I'm going to be cleaning the entire outside of my car today. We just got back from a weekend getaway and we were in mountains in Virginia. So we took my car and it got really dirty. So I just wanted to get it all cleaned up for the week. So clean along with me if you need to wash your car as well.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know.
The first step, as you saw when I am washing my car, is to first spray it all down with the hose, get it all wet, and this typically takes a little bit of the first layer of dirt off of my car. So if there's any dust, which we were driving through the mountains in Luray, Virginia, so it was very dusty, and this house, this like Airbnb that we stayed in, it was in like a wooded area that had gravel roads, so it just kicked up a lot of dust. So when you spray down your car, that like first layer of dust comes off, which is nice. And then I would, obviously use the soap to get it really nice and clean. Now, I do use that large mop. It kind of looks like a mop. I'm just going to call it a mop. I use that to clean my car, but then I use that smaller sponge when I need to get spots that are tricky to get to with that longer mop brush. So I'll use that for the tires, the yellow sponge for the tires, for the front of my car where the bugs are, which you'll see later. And then also if there's some dirt spots that are hard to get to with the other mop, then I'll use the little sponge brush. I have to mention that if it looks like I'm running away from something in this video, or if I look scared, it's because there's these hornets, which we just discovered yesterday. I have never seen a hornet before, and those things are terrifying, and apparently they're outside near our house. So there were two huge hornets that kept trying to, I don't know if they were drinking the water off of my car or what they were doing, but they kept touching my car and it was freaking me out. So I've edited most of me like looking scared, but if you see some clips of me looking scared, it's because these hornets kept coming to my car, and I think they were drinking the water off of my car. So just wanted to give you all the heads up on that.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
I'm curious to know whether you all wash your own vehicles, or do you take it to the car wash, or do you do both? I know, like, especially in the winter time, it's obviously very cold and difficult to wash your car when it's freezing outside. So I will sometimes go to the car wash in the winter time, but I've talked about in previous videos, I have a hard time going to the car wash because I'm always so disappointed. I think it just might be the ones that are near where I live. They're terrible, so I'm always disappointed. So I just wash my own vehicle at home, and I think I do a good job, and I get all the dirt and bugs off of my car, and I'm not disappointed. So I do love, love, love cleaning my car. It is such a satisfying feeling because I just love how it looks sparkly clean at the end. So let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys wash your own cars, or do you take it to the car wash, or do you do both?
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. tired of the drama. You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama, and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the real.
I keep wiping my face because it was so humid and hot outside. I love the outdoors so much, but lately it seems like the humidity is insane. So I kept like wiping my hair back. It was just like soaked from sweat because it was so humid outside. So the water that I was spraying my car with felt so great because it was like ice cold. But anyways, I am just cleaning off the front of the car, and I have mentioned this in previous videos. So we live out in the country. Our neighborhood is like out in the middle of farmland, and there's a lot of back roads to get to our neighborhood. So there's tons of bugs. And then right before this, we had just gone on a trip to Virginia up in the mountains, and there were so many bugs, and we were on so many like country, even more country than my country back roads. So it was so much fun, but my car was a mess. So I felt so great when I got all of this nice and clean, all the bugs, almost all the bugs off my car, and it just looked so shiny, and I was really, really happy. So next I'm going to dry my car. However, these hornets, oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even know we had hornets. I'd never seen them before, but hornets came out of nowhere and kept attacking my car. So I pulled my car into my garage, and I had to dry it like that way instead. So you'll see me do that here in a second.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your...
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got some cleaning motivation from it, and then you can go wash your vehicle and get everything done. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and leave a comment down below saying hi so I can say hello back. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
To feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing